Huzur, Abdurrahman Sahib's question is based on verse number 126 of Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter number 2. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wa iz ja'alna al-bayta masabatan lin-nasi wa amna wattakhidhu min maqam Ibrahim musalla wahidna ila Ibrahim wa Ismaila an tahira baytiya lit-ta'ifina wal-akifina war-ruk'a as-sujud. Translation is, and remember the time when we made the house a resort for mankind and a place of security, and take ye the station of Abraham as a place of prayer. And we commanded Abraham and Ishmael, saying, purify my house for those who perform the circuit, and those who remain therein for devotion, and those who bow down and fall prostrate in prayer.
Huzur, my question is about Maqam Ibrahim. How this command, Huzur, is practical during the time of pilgrimage? How could everybody can get a chance to pray at this station of Hadrat Ibrahim?
You know, this is a misunderstanding about the translation. There is a misunderstanding about the true translation of the word Maqam. There is a difference in Arabic between Maqam and Maqam. Maqam is a place, a zarf makan, and Maqam is a status. So وَاتَّخَذُوا مَقَامَ إِبْرَاهِيمَ min Maqam Ibrahim musalla. So you pray like Abraham used to pray, like the status of Abraham requires you to pray. So the meaning is completely different. Otherwise, can you imagine that there are 10 lakh people who are doing pilgrimage, and they will stand in one small place, all of them? It's unbelievable, unthinkable. So the Holy Quran is above censure, mashallah. The choices of words are most beautiful. Understand? Another thing that should be noted here particularly is that the Maqam Ibrahim is translated as Maqam, and then a Maqam is shown to the people. This is the Maqam Ibrahim, and on that Maqam there are 2 large footsteps, very large footsteps, which couldn't be that over there. Ibrahim alayhi salam, imprinted deeply on a stone. Why is so heavy? As his footsteps were imprinted on a stone, all fake. Just people to earn money have just faked this thing, and even the Arabs don't understand that this is not Maqam, this is Maqam Ibrahim, right?